Hey everyone, welcome to another mini video case study. This is one on the series I was recording a couple of weeks ago where I go over these mini little SEO case studies that I go over the what, the how, and the actual business impact that SEO had on this business. So this is the third one, so let's just get straight into it. So this is the business. It is a US-based unicorn with more than $3.4 billion in funding. And essentially what they do is they buy up these Amazon FBA brands and either improve the sites and sell them for profit or just turn them into cash cows stores. So let's go over the what, the how, and the actual business impact, which is what matters the most here. So first of all, they did keyword research and content planning. Essentially what they did, and I say we, and when I say we, I mean Jackie right here. He's on Vettted. He sells some of these link building services here. He does have an agency on the side. If you want to hire him, I'll go over how you can do so at the end of the video. So just quick explainer on what's the we. So we help them identify topics that were tangential to their product offerings, right? Essentially targeting related keywords that could lead people to the products or the main products that we're selling. Secondly, blog writing and editing. Of course, this is a must with any SEO strategy. So after the keyword research, we help them build out their blogs at scale. They were doing a lot of posts, 75 plus posts a month. That's a lot. Of course, the budget was also very high. Then, of course, we cannot miss link building with any SEO campaign. So we identified and placed links on only the best quality from the most relevant publications. And I always say this, the best link you can build is a link that's powerful and of course relevant, right? So this is the what and how. Then let's go over the business impact of the SEO itself. Because again, in these videos, I just want to go over what the actual impact of SEO can be in the business, not really go over the strategy itself, right? So first of all, we got a front page placement for 20 plus brands, which resulted in a 5 million tracked sales from zero online presence via organic search traffic. And this was all tracked, as we can see here, for example, one of the keywords was knee compression sleeve, ranking number 3, right? With a search volume of 22,000 searches per month. Here's the website link, and all these sales were tracked in the backend, right? So amazing results right off the bat. Of course, just keep in mind that the budget for a brand with $3.4 billion in funding is very, very high, right? Secondly, 2,000 plus media placements, which resulted in 15x increase in the branded search volumes. So this becomes very valuable, right? Because when people are searching for the brand to get a certain product, it's because they trust the brand and you were able to build out your brand, making it so it's a bit harder for people to switch product, even if other companies try to copy your products, right? And finally, 2,000 plus blog posts written. They identified several content gaps within topics tangential to their brand. So this was the business impact for this SEO strategy for this business that essentially bought up Amazon FBA stores and increased their volume of business. So pretty straightforward one, short one. I'll be recording the next ones 1, 2, 3 in a bit. So stick around. Again, these are solely to show the value that SEO can bring to any business if done correctly. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.